boys and girls, we're going to practice counting forward from a number. And we're just counting by ones. So at the very top, please write your name. So Allie's going to write her name because she's going to help me today.
Wait.
And then we're going to start counting with 2. So we go 2. What's after 2?
3.
Then what?
4, 5, 6.
Good. So we don't have to keep counting any farther because we ran out of lines.
But
so
only if you want to do it right here if you want to.
But you
can draw 7, but you don't have to.
So the next one we start with 15, and then we do 16,
17, 18,
19. Good.
You can write numbers if you want to, but you don't have to. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, or right here. But you don't have to if you don't want to.
Okay, so then after, on the next row, we're starting with 5. And then after 5 comes 6, 7,
8,
and 9. Good. Allie's going to do the next row where we start on 0.
Which it's really hard on this one, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to, you can write 5.
Good. On the next row, we start with 12, and then we do what?
13, 14, 15, 16,
and 17 if you wanted to.
But you don't have to if you don't want to.
Good job, boys and girls. You're doing really good. So next, we start with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Allie, why don't you do the next one? We start with 10.
11, 12, 13, 14. No, it's not working. Bro, that is not working. Okay, or 15 if you want to.
And the last row starts with 8. And so we're going to count on from 8. So the next one is 9, 10, 11, 12. Or
13 if you want to.
Yep. Okay, give yourself a smiley face at the top and do what your teacher would have you do next.
Or a star, a heart, whatever makes you feel like you did a good job. Thank you, boys and girls.